What is up, everybody? Just Joji here, and we are back with Amazon FBA sales, day 5 of January, or January 5th, 2021. So let me go ahead and refresh my page here so you know that these sales are legitimate and this data is live. Okay, so today we had another awesome day. Not quite as good as yesterday. Yesterday we were a little bit shy of 3,000 in sales, but today was $1,266. We sold a total of 18 units. So let's go and jump right into those. Well, I guess first you can see this kind of sales snapshot. It tells you how many units were ordered and also tells you what the average sale of each item was. So let's go ahead and look at our orders now. Oh, looks like something just sold 2 minutes ago. I guess that's why it wasn't updated on the main page, and that sold for, wow, $119.99. So let's see if it refreshes here. Does not. Well, maybe it's just going to take a while. So that's going to be probably 1,300 in sales for the day, which is pretty awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and start out with sales in the morning. So let's see. So the first thing actually sold as early as it could be in the morning, 12:55 a.m., so a little bit past midnight. That was another Ryan SKU. So this is a commissioned book. So again, I make 18% off of the after sales price of this book. So that means I'm probably going to walk away with $16 or so for just letting this person sell the restricted books on my account. Another person up really early in the morning at 3:33 a.m. bought data science and big data analytics for $49.95. Then we go into Davis Advantage for $86.99 at 8:50, and I'm pretty sure that's like right when I woke up this morning. So very awesome. Text to Text sold for $79.99. And then we need to go to page number 2, or the first page actually. Exploring Psychology, $59.99. It's a pretty good price to get to for that book in particular, so that's pretty cool. Exploring Medical Language, $82.99. And something about this listing that's really important is that you'll see that it not only is it the book, it's also the flashcards. Sometimes on Amazon, the listings will be of the book and an access code, or the book and flashcards. And so you just really want to make sure that if you're selling a book on that listing, you also have the supplementary material. Because if you don't, it is somewhat more likely that when somebody buys that, you know, from that listing, they're expecting to get everything, and if they don't, they could leave you a negative feedback. That doesn't necessarily mean you couldn't just sell the book on a listing like this. You definitely would want to make sure that you note it in the listing, but usually there are listings for just the book only, and I know that is the case for this book in particular. There is a listing for the book only, and if you only have the book, you want to make sure you're listing it on the book only listing. Physical Geography Laboratory Manual, $69.99. Diversity in Society, $72. Neuroscience, $89.88. Professional Nursing, $40. Document Design, $26.96. Growth and Development, $36.99 at 2:43 p.m. Organic Chemistry as a Second Language, sold that for $58.90. You want to be really careful with this book, because I know that the Organic Chemistry as a Second Language books are very frequently counterfeited books. So you want to make sure that that if you have this book, that it is in fact legitimate. And it is really hard to tell, but yeah, you want to really be looking out for counterfeit books. National Physical Therapy Exam Review, $179.99. I think that's the most expensive book of the day, so that's pretty awesome. I'm pretty sure I only paid $25 for that book, which was an awesome flip. Zoology, $41.99. Davis's Drug Guide for Nurses, $35. Correctional Theory, $47.50. Biology of Humans, a loose leaf, $82.44, and also Trigonometry, a loose leaf, for $119. Those are both really high prices to get for loose leaves. It's just because it's textbook season, and when it's textbook season, you know, everything increases in price, and even the loose leaves go up, which is crazy that you can get that much for those books. But there you have it, a total of, still says 18 products, but technically I'm pretty sure it's 19 bucks, but there you have it. 19 products for $1,386. Thank you so much. If you like this, go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. That's all I got for you today. Thank you, and have a good night, and goodbye.